You guys love the spiral knot wristlet tutorial so much that today I'm going to show you how to make the square knot wristlet using Ganxxet's new color, Lily. Grab your keychain clasp and cut 2 cords at 105 inches. Attach them to your keychain tying a lark's head knot, but make sure to keep your center filler cords only hanging at 20 inches long. You will then tie a square knot, and I do have a full tutorial for this on my page as well as my YouTube, but make sure when you're tying your square knot that you do keep approximately a 1-inch gap between your lark's head knot and your first square knot. You will continue tying square knots all the way down your 20-inch filler cords for approximately 43 square knots. When you get to the end of the cord, you should have about 2 inches left. Next, you're going to take the ends of your cord and you're going to thread it through your keychain clasp as well as approximately 2 square knots. This is what it should look like. Cut one cord approximately 30 inches and you are going to secure all the cords together, tying a gathering knot approximately 6 to 8 wraps around. Trim the remaining cord and go ahead and just tuck it in with your scissors so it's not visible. And you have completed your macrame keychain wristlet tying all square knots. I hope you loved this tutorial.